Hi everyone, we are Hydro Build Company, a team of aspiring civil engineers. And today, we are excited to present our Python-based project, the Housing Project Budget Estimator. This tool is designed to help users, like students, homeowners, or small-scale contractors, plan, estimate, and manage housing projects more efficiently with just a few inputs and clicks.
Our program begins by welcoming the user and displaying a main menu with four options: add new project, view saved projects, edit or delete existing projects, and exit the program. The interface is designed to be a simple and practical, especially for beginners. The main function serves as the program's entry point. It says the company name, displays a welcome message, and waits for the users to press enter before continuing. Then it calls the run program function to handle the main menu and users' interactions. In run program, users choose from five options: add, view, edit, delete, or exit. Based on the selection, the program performs the corresponding action, creating a new project with duplicate checking, displaying all projects, editing details, deleting with confirmation, or exiting the program. To ensure valid date input, the validate function is used. It keeps prompting the user until a date in the correct year, month, day format is entered using Python's datetime.scripttime for validation.
Now, in adding a project, when you choose to add a new project, the program asks for the date, the project name, the location, and the house type, whether it is a bungalow or a two-story. Then it asks for your budget range, whether you're working with a limited budget, mid-range, or an high-end plan. In the define get budget range function, it allows the user to choose a budget range for four predefined options. It displays the budget categories and prompts for a choice. It also returns the selected option if it is between 1 and 4 and returns none for an invalid input. Now, the define select construction types function, it lets the user select types of construction work needed for the project. It offers four specific types and one complete package option. And it also allows multiple entries to keep accepting input until the user types done.
Once those are selected, the program shows the types of construction work you need, like structure and foundation, finishing, exterior, or utilities. You can pick multiple categories or select all. Based on that, the program recommends relevant services and estimated costs, which the user can accept or customize further. For the define get service by type function, it returns a list of services with costs based on the selected budget and construction types. It contains a dictionary of predefined service packages per budget, filters and returns only the relevant services based on selected construction types, and if the budget option is invalid, it shows an error. For the define select service function, it lets the user decide whether to use the default services or pick them manually. It gives two choices, which are automatic or manual customization. Manual, ask yes or no for each available service. Builds and returns a dictionary of selected services and their cost.
After choosing services, the program calculates the total cost and puts everything in a clean summary table. This gives users a clean overview of what they're spending on and helps them stick to their planned budget. The create project function handles all inputs and calculations for setting up a new construction project. It collects key details like title, location, house type, start and end dates, then prompts the user for a budget and construction type. It calculates labor costs based on workers, days, and wage. Adds services, costs, and checks if the total stays within budget. If valid, stores all project data in a dictionary and returns it.
The user can also view all saved projects in a list complete with details. If they need to make changes, like adjusting the house type or adding more services, the edit option is there. And if a project is no longer needed, it can be deleted, but only after a confirmation prompt so data isn't removed by accident. The Show Project table function displays all saved projects in a neatly formatted table. It starts with a header showing key project information, then loops through each project to present its basic details like title and location. It also includes a breakdown of selected services with their costs and show the total cost for each project.
Our purpose and benefits is that our main goal is to make the budget estimation easy and accessible for everybody. Instead of manually listing costs, users can rely on the program to suggest and compute prices, which saves time and reduces planning mistakes.
This tool is useful for students working on design projects, families planning home improvements, or even small contractors. With a few adjustments, it can be expanded to support larger scale budgeting in the future.
Building this program helped us apply our Python skills in real world scenarios, from using functions and loops to handling data storage and user input. It taught us not just how to code, but also how to think like engineers.
We hope our housing budget estimators helps users plan smarter and build better. This is just the beginning of what we can create when coding meets construction. Thank you for watching.
We are Hydro Build Company and we build solutions, one line of code at a time.